Extreme heat is breaking records across North America, and the risks are real. This isn't your average summer day. Prolonged heat waves can be dangerous, but you're not helpless. There are practical, low-cost ways to stay safe and cool. In this video, I'll guide you through the best strategies for keeping your home, body, and loved ones comfortable. We'll cover cooling your space, staying hydrated, what to wear, and how to help those most at risk. Grab some water and let's dive in. This is Disaster Scope News, bringing you real-time coverage of the planet's most powerful and unpredictable forces. Before we jump into hands-on tips for beating the heat indoors, let's take a moment to personalize your approach. Every home and every person is different, so your strategy should fit your unique needs. Think about your daily routine, the hottest rooms in your home, and any health factors that might make you more sensitive to heat. Do you live in an apartment or a house? Are you caring for young kids, pets, or elderly family members? Grab a notepad or open a note on your phone and jot down your 3 biggest heat challenges at home. By identifying these now, you'll be able to tailor the upcoming tips to make the biggest impact on your comfort and safety. Remember, staying cool starts with knowing your own needs. Ready? Let's move on to transforming your indoor space into a cool retreat. When the summer heat is on, your home should be your cool and comfortable sanctuary. It's your first line of defense against the sweltering temperatures outside. Let's explore some simple yet effective strategies to keep your indoor environment refreshingly cool. One of the easiest ways to combat the heat is to block sunlight by closing curtains or blinds. This is especially important on south and west-facing windows, which receive the most intense sunlight throughout the day. By minimizing direct sunlight, you'll significantly reduce the amount of heat entering your home. For even greater heat reduction, consider using blackout curtains. Or for a budget-friendly option, you can even tape aluminum foil to your windows. Remember to position the shiny side out to effectively reflect the heat away from your home. This creates a barrier that keeps the sun's rays from penetrating the glass. Fans are your friend. They create a wind chill effect, and you can easily boost its cooling power by placing a bowl of ice or frozen water bottles in front of the fan. As the ice melts, the fan will circulate cool, refreshing air throughout the room. Seal gaps under doors with towels to keep hot air out, preventing it from seeping into your cool living spaces. Avoid using ovens or stoves during the hottest part of the day. These appliances generate a significant amount of heat. Instead, opt for no-cook meals like salads, sandwiches, or fruit platters. Switch to LED bulbs to reduce indoor heat. They produce significantly less heat than traditional incandescent bulbs. Run heat-generating appliances like dishwashers or laundry machines at night when temperatures are cooler. Every small step helps turn your home into a cool oasis, a welcome escape from the summer heat. Stay mindful of indoor heat sources and keep air moving to maximize comfort. With a few adjustments, you can create a refreshing and enjoyable indoor environment all summer long. Hydration is your body's best defense. Drink water consistently, don't wait until you're thirsty. Snack on water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and berries. Limit alcohol, caffeine, and sugary drinks, they dehydrate you. Replenish electrolytes with a pinch of salt and citrus in your water, or eat a banana for potassium. Listen to your body. Muscle cramps or fatigue mean you need more fluids. Keep a water bottle nearby as a reminder. Staying hydrated keeps you safer and cooler. Need fast relief? Target your body's pulse points, neck, wrists, elbows, with a cold pack or wet towel. Mist yourself with cool water from a spray bottle. Add peppermint oil for extra chill. Soak your feet in cool water for a quick, full-body reset. Take a lukewarm or cool shower, especially before bed, to lower your core temperature. These simple tricks can make a big difference when the heat feels overwhelming. Use them as needed throughout the day. Quick action can prevent heat exhaustion. Wear light, loose, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen in pale colors. At night, swap heavy sheets for lightweight cotton and sleep with just a top sheet. Try the Egyptian method. Sleep with a damp sheet and a fan for evaporative cooling. Let your feet and head breathe indoors. Go barefoot to release heat. For a quick bedtime cool down, chill your pillowcase in the freezer. Outside, wear a wide-brimmed hat for shade. Small changes in clothing and bedding can help you rest and recover. Comfort is key to beating the heat. If your home gets dangerously hot, reaching temperatures that are simply unbearable, it's time to take decisive action. Don't underestimate the severity of the situation. Prolonged exposure to extreme heat can have serious health consequences. Escalate your cooling strategy, move beyond simple fans, and consider more robust methods to bring the temperature down. It's about creating a microclimate of coolness within your living space. Freeze water bottles. Fill several bottles and ensure they are completely frozen solid for maximum cooling potential. Then, place them strategically in front of a fan. This creates a makeshift air conditioner, providing hours of cool, refreshing air circulating throughout the room. For an extra boost, drape a wet cloth over a fan. Ensure the cloth is thoroughly soaked but not dripping excessively. This evaporative cooling method provides extra relief. Just be sure to catch the drips to prevent any water damage. Place a towel underneath to absorb any excess moisture. If you simply can't cool your home effectively, seek out public spaces equipped with air conditioning. These locations offer a refuge from the heat. Libraries are a great option. Malls provide another climate-controlled environment, or head to official cooling centers, specifically designated to provide relief during heat waves. It's crucial to know the location of your nearest cooling center before you actually need it. Familiarize yourself with its location and hours of operation. Prepare a go bag with essential items, include water, any necessary medications, and other essential supplies you might need. Don't hesitate to leave your home if it becomes unsafe due to the heat. Your health and well-being must always come first. Remember, public havens can be genuine lifesavers during periods of extreme heat, offering a safe and cool environment when you need it most. Heat waves can be particularly dangerous, and they hit the most vulnerable members of our communities the hardest, especially the elderly, who may have difficulty regulating their body temperature. Young children and kids, whose bodies also struggle to adapt quickly to extreme heat, are also at higher risk. And of course, those with pre-existing health issues, particularly heart or respiratory conditions, need extra care during these times. Let's not forget outdoor workers who face prolonged exposure to the sun and high temperatures. It's crucial to check in on neighbors, especially the elderly or those living alone, and loved ones. Make sure they're staying cool indoors, and that they're well hydrated with plenty of fluids. Remind parents, kids dehydrate fast, so encourage them to drink water frequently, even if they don't feel thirsty. Above all, never, ever leave anyone, especially children or pets, in a parked car, even for a few minutes. The temperature inside can rise to dangerous levels incredibly quickly. It's also important to know the signs of heat illness, including heavy sweating, dizziness, nausea, and a rapid pulse. If you see someone experiencing these symptoms, move them to a cool place immediately, loosen their clothing to help them cool down, and encourage them to hydrate. Remember, heat stroke is a medical emergency, so call 911 right away if you observe signs like confusion, a high fever, or loss of consciousness. Don't hesitate. Act quickly. Every second counts in these situations. By looking out for each other and taking these precautions, we can save lives and protect the most vulnerable among us. Stay cool, stay aware, and stay connected. Share these tips, check on your community, and don't hesitate to seek help. Extreme heat is a challenge, but we can get through it together. Preparation and community make all the difference. Drop your own tips in the comments. Let's help each other stay safe. Thanks for watching and take care of one another. This is Disaster Scope News, bringing you up-to-date information about the catastrophic events occurring around our world. To stay updated, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and be safe, everyone.